Okay, hello. We're continuing We're continuing somewhere where we left off. I think the last thing we just did was. Are you. Okay, there we go. Was this. I figured out how to flip it upside down. I didn't read. I figured this out right at the end, but I didn't read. Where is it? This. It said 1 is equal to 360, and it didn't occur to me to put a value below 1 to flip it. So, okay. So I think we're going to do the start getting the battle widget, I guess. I'm not quite sure the way in which I want to do it yet. What's up, Enkerta? I have some idea on how I want to do it. There we go. (1920 by 1080). I think that's what the default is. So where's rectangle? Do I have a I do. So how I want to do it is I want the player to be presented by two options, maybe three. Fight, defend, flee. Fight, defend, flee. Yeah, I guess three options. Fight, defend, three. You click one, these gray out. Magic or physical, I guess. And then that next one will open up a subset. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. No, don't save. Okay. So let's do we're here. Widget. Widget. Hello. Okay, there we go. This will be initiate battle. So where I think I made the wrong one. What is this? Oh, I did a whole new blueprint class. That's not what I meant to do. There we go. There we go. Oh, canvas is already there. Huh, okay. So let's add a horizontal. Anchor it to the bottom. 0.5, 1, that's not the correct value. 200, 100. Let's make sure there's a y offset, I suppose, of 100. Wrong button. So maybe like this. Let's get 3 borders, all with fill. It's going to be a little bit bigger. It needs to be a little bit bigger than that. Let's add a spacer between both of these. Okay, let's make this bigger. Let's go 700. Maybe. Let's add it. Let's put it on my widget. Where's my head? Oh, yeah, I closed it. So I want to hide this. Let's add this and see where my mouse froze. There we go. Let's place this here and see how this goes. What's it called? Visibility? Yep, it is visibility. Make sure it's collapsed. Something's off center. Is it the boom arm, spring arm that's off center? No, that's centered. The camera looks centered. It must be this. No, that's centered. Huh. Oh well. No, this is off-centered. I see. It's off-centered because I didn't I didn't align it, that's why. 0.5, 1. Okay, that's more, okay, no, that's centered, I see. let's make them a little bit thinner. I think the height is okay, but I think they need to be a little bit thinner. Okay. Hmm. How do I want to? Let's name it main. Those are fine. I need to make sure that's a variable. I'm then going to actually rename this whole thing. Instead of several components, this is going to just be battle. I was going to make different components for each of them, but I don't really want to do that. So you have the main options. Let's get this centered. That's... I wasn't supposed to change the size. Come on. Hello? Oh, there we go. So let's add offset. Yeah, a little bit smaller. Yeah, I think that would work fine. Orient it over that. So this will be physical and magic, I think. So I only need 2. And the size off. The size is off now. I did not think about that. 700. I mean, if I divide it by 2, that should work, right? No, that's off. Is it... oh, 700, is it divide by 3? No. 1.5? No. Okay, I guess I'll just have to adjust it myself until they look somewhat the same size. Maybe roughly right there. That's not centered, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, half. Ever so slightly this way. I think that's as close as I'm going to get it with that slider. Okay, so that would open up like that. How does that look on the character screen? That could get cluttered pretty easily, but I think... I think I could get it to work. Okay, I don't know why I'm working on the design. All that matters right now is that it actually functions. Attack options. I'll put buttons in there later. So let's duplicate that. This will be defense. Defense options. Can I click and drag them? I can. Of course I can. It's obvious that I could buy net. Huh. Okay, so let's hide the attack options. How many defense options would there be? There's like defend. I guess I could. No, okay, so what I should name, this should not be called defense, this should be called support, and these should be support options. I can put the healing in there and everything. So then should I add support? Defense is not support, is it? I mean, I could make it support if I give the option to defend someone else. I guess I could. Okay, so then if I have options where you can select another player, I need to make sure I have enough room somewhere up here on the screen to be able to select the different people. So if I have the defense right here, I can't have buttons that go up much higher than this or they will get in the way of the characters. That one could be problematic. That is assuming I make it, you click on the character and not just another pop-up of the characters, which might be, I think that's the way I have to go with how I started building this. So you got attack, support. Okay, this isn't going to work because different supports are going to have a different number of options, which means I need a set amount. So that means I need to make a separate button widget that gives me a consistent and replicate a consistent button slash border thing that I can replicate, duplicate, and spawn during runtime instead of making it all at once. User widget. Let's do battle button comp. So I might as well make probably I should make a data table of the classes. That could be the way. And then build it based on that. I guess that would work. Okay, I'll try it out. Where is data? Miscellaneous? Blueprint. Here is blueprint structure. Class options. Oh my god, this is horrible. This looks terrible. So this will be. So we will have a type of string This will be menu option, menu category, maybe. And then this will be another string of So if a character only has like one support option, I'm going to have a lot of blank ones for others. That might be a little bit annoying, maybe. I'm not sure if that's the word I would use. But I'll have to create a lot even. I'll just deal with it. Button name. Oh wait, but no, if I click the button, that might. Uh, I'll just assume I know what I'm doing. Button name 01. Let's get a data table also. That's I guess I could do data assets. That might work better. Because each of them could be a little bit different and run their own code. I think I'll just stick with a data table. Class. Why do I have two? Class options, dot class options. Huh. Okay, I need to rename it from class options. Class battle buttons. Okay. So main. I guess I could assign each. Okay, I might be able to make this work. If I... Let's get Krita open again. It's loading. Give it a moment. Okay, so if I have a long list of all the actions that can happen, and then I have the character, and just have these be a fewer list, I can run a check to see if these match. And if so, I can then go to the widget and create it as a button. But then I have to figure out how I'm going to implement what the button says. I'll make it work. So this will be main, and this will be fight attack. Unless I do the maybe I should scrap this and go to data assets instead. I already feel committed at this point. I already feel committed at this point. Okay, so attack, support, flee. Is that the right flee or is it FLEA? Flee. To escape. Okay, yep. So this one's correct. So this will be the main ones. So then these are the three each class could do, or each action. Okay. These are a bad idea. I'm going to switch to data assets. Because if there's way too many, this is going to take too long. So I'm going to just go into the player. New folder, call action assets. Okay, so let's get a data asset instead. But let's start with the primary one. Oh. Primary data asset. Okay, there we go. And this will be player action actions PDA. Player bat. Let's name it player bat act PDA. And this will be data assets. Okay, let's add a data asset. Okay, can't do that. To miscellaneous. Yep, data asset. PDA player bat act. So this will be how am I going to use this as a naming convention? M for main. Attack. The main attack. Okay, nope. Well, okay, let's go here first. So we want a category. Do I want this to be a name? Or do I want it to be a number? Let's have it be a name. Category name. Let's add a description. Let's do button name. Let's add an order appearance appearance order. Let's make this an integer. It doesn't really need to be an integer. Actually, a byte might not be long enough. Oh no, that's plenty. Never mind. So category, name, description, button. I think this is all I need at the moment. Let's add a third one just so I know. Called category level. 0 being the main, and then it increases 1 each layer just so I know. Okay. Let's get the assets. So this is in attack. So this will be main attack. This will be attack. Appearance order will be number 0 and category level 0. Duplicate main support main aid a team member there we go. What's that? Support appearance order will be number 1 on level 0. I'm going to flip these two. Come on. No. I want to flip these other two. I want to flip. There we go. So button name attack. Okay. So then I need another one for fully that's still main run away to. Okay, let's go into the, that's the asset. Nope, this one, yeah. Oh, let's okay. Yeah, this can stay in a box like this. Make sure it's like that graph. On construct, I need to get that asset. I may have overlooked this because I believe I need to create a variable in this for each and every one of them. Unless there's a get asset. Nope. I am going to try to figure out a way to retrieve it because I really don't want to add a variable for each of them. What is this? What data asset category? Okay, wait. I might not have to do all of them. I might be able to do just the primary data asset. Primary data asset. So if I get that, or nope, and get children. Nope. Get assets. I should probably take this back on. Get primary asset from object. That's not what I need. Asset data. Get class, get all assets. That's a message though. Use a filter if possible. Okay, well, include only on disk. That's not going to give me what I want. But I'm curious about what it will give me. I have no idea what this is going to give me. So will this give me none? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Save all. Oh, I didn't loop the body. What? So that means it was empty. It would probably be a better idea if I just do oh, right here. Length. To see if there's actually anything that's even in here. 0. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. That's not what I meant to do. So there has to be get asset by object, get assets, get primary asset. Nope, that's not what I need. Well, looks like I'm going to be doing it the long way. Unless I'm able to just toss these in here as variables. Nope. This won't give me what I need, will it? No, it won't. So I have to do it from... How did I do the... You know what, I can actually just bring it up and see how I did it. Because I do not remember. Let's see how I did it. Is this... Yep, this is it. Data. So item material PDAC. What's a PDAC? Oh, primary data asset. Okay, let's go into the character and see how I implemented the inventory. That's the wrong one. So how did I make the... Ah, I see. Let's just set that to the side just in case I want to look at it again. I forgot to set this. That's how I did it. I see. So that means I'm still going to need to create a variable for each of these. Unless I am able to get it as a collective. Of course I can get it as a collective. I can make an array. Yeah, change its type. Give me an array. Okay, so we have one val. Can I not add multiple? No way, right? There we go. Okay, I just need to refresh it. I wonder if there was a specific reason I did it the long way in the other one. Get for each loop. Let's go to let's close some of these. I'll open them again later. Did I not save all? That can be closed. That can be closed. That can be closed. That. Okay. So I need to go into the designer? Nope. Did I not create the separate widget? I did, I just didn't, oh, I didn't have it open, it was just behind. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this one. There we go. Canvas. Compile. Border. Let's set you to the bottom. Point 5, 1. I need a text. I need the this isn't the child one, is it? Yeah, it was. This is the one I need. Make sure it's all centered. Okay, I'll make this a button lighter. I actually need this to be a variable, and I need to do a little bit of things here. Button name. Do I need this whole thing to be a variable? I shouldn't. So I'm going to have to make a custom event. Name button. This will take a string called in name. String get set text. Is that the right text? Yeah, that should be the right text. So for each of these, I'm going to get the main options, create a widget. This will be the button. There's only one player, so I don't think I have to set that up. Add child. So before I get the naming, let's see if that actually puts things inside. It does. That's actually pretty nice spacing also. But it is colorless, so they're probably touching. So then we're going to get this name button. And then we need to create split. Split break. Name. Oh. Do I need these to be... No, I can't do that unless I do it in here. Make sure these are all exposed. Compile, save. Huh. This should say 3. Okay, yeah. So it does do that. Why am I L? Okay, so the naming does work. How do I retrieve the name off of you, though? Surely I'm able to retrieve. Okay, it looks like I can't do it directly, so I'm going to have to create a function to do it. Retrieve, I'm just going to do variables. And now I need 2 boolean, nope, 2 bytes. Category, button, name, description, app, app level. And now I just need to hook these up. Compile, save. Sure, what? Surely I am able to. Hmm. Unless I forgot something. So, yeah, these are not local. Nothing in there that would affect it. Is there something to do with child or children? Nope. My mouse froze. There we go. I'm completely bamboozled. I didn't think I would hit a rock like this. I could have sworn I was able to retrieve them like this. Well, let's go look back at this. How did I retrieve the variable? That's the wrong character. I wonder why I can retrieve the variables here, but not back there, unless there's a setting I... Hmm. So if I drag one of these random assets, can I... What? Why? Okay, I know the solution. When in doubt, restart the editor. That's not what I meant to do. Here. Here. This will hopefully fix it. Hold up, this other one needs saved. Go out of your store. This one, here we go. Did that close? Yep, that closed. Okay. Where was it? In here? No. Where was I trying to implement this? Here it is. Oh, nope, none of those are it. Unless it expects this or something. Nope. Is it hidden? Is there like some condition I haven't passed? Category name. Get category name. So why do you not... Object reference is not compatible with... It's the wrong type of variable. It's the wrong type of variable. I understand now. You see, my mistake was I made them a primary data asset instead of the specific asset. So I need to get asset. I need to get the specific asset from here somehow. What are you? Asset data structure. Data structure. That's not what I wanted. Okay, but that helps me a lot knowing that I just have the wrong type of variable. Get object. Object. Okay, then what did I say for this? Get asset. Hold up, I had it, but I discarded it. What was it? Was it off of here? Was it object? Nope, that's not. Hold on, I had it from it for a second. Oh, it's probably not registered. I might be able to force it to work though. Hmm. What can I break this into? Asset type, primary data asset name. I wonder if I could get class and then reverse it from there. Nope, that just leads me back here. What? What's this? Oh, too soft. Okay, I see. Object reference. What happens if I change this? And then no, that only does soft object. I thought I had the way for a second. Okay. Nope. Unless I can. Nope, that does not connect. Primary data asset reference. I need to get the that doesn't help. I really thought I had it for a second. Hmm. There has to be a way. Returns the ID. Get asset from ID. Get object from ID. No? Really? What are you? You are... Do I just need a new for each? What do you know? All I needed was a new for each. I can't believe that's all I needed. No, category name wasn't the one I needed. It was button name. Just needed to delete and add a new one of those. All my problems are solved. Excellent. Does that attack? Okay. Yeah, that does work, but they are in the wrong order. So I need to also get the order. Get appearance order. This is what I needed. Oh, wait, no, or I could just... No, because I can't, if I rely on that, I have to be very, very specific with how I set that up. I need a way to set this. Let's go back here and see if I can add. Actually, can I just reorder? Can I like reorder? Let's do child. If I add the child, I can't, so maybe I can reorder the child. Y'all, I don't know how long my mic was muted. At some point I muted my mic, never unmuted it. I don't know if I said anything or if you've heard anything. My mic's been muted for an undisclosed amount of time. So it's just been blank. Find item. That's not what I want. Find array that matches. No. Appearance order. Appearance order. Expected order. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it would skip those. So that wouldn't work. So let's see if I can. I don't know how much of my thought process I've explained because I was muted, but that sucks anyway. Battle options. If I get a copy, nope. Let's move this up. Okay, at this point I'm just going to order them manually. But if I order them manually, there would be no point in setting the order myself, but I'm going to just pretend I solved this problem and order them manually. Attack support flee, okay. Let's go into the character. Player. Set as UI. Set game UI. Set input mode, that's what it is. Get player, I'll just get player controller. So now I should have the mouse on screen. I show cursor is probably disabled. Set show mouse cursor to true. There we go. Okay, yeah, that works. Now I just need to convert these texts into buttons. Button. That's not where. Design, here we go. Wrap with button. Button, I'll just name it button. Make sure it fills the whole thing. Let's discard this padding. Excuse me? 0. There we go. Oh, that was the text. I meant to do it on the button. It was on the button. Huh. Okay, there we go. And button, what's, you need to be variable. This will be no name. I'll just call it, no, I probably shouldn't call it null. I'll call it that. Uh, let's see, text. What was I doing? Oh yeah, that's right. I was going to change the color. Where's, oh, here it is. I'm blind. This isn't, okay. That overpowers the text. Is it background I want? Is background I want. Color I can clearly see. Where's hovered? Oh, do they not have separate? No, I guess it doesn't have separate colors for on hovered and everything. Not the end of the world. I'll make it a little bit paler. So I should be able to click these buttons. Yes. So then I need spacers. Create widget. Add. Add spacer. Create. Construct object from class. Spacer. Okay, what is outer? Self? If I insert self. Seems okay. So then I need the X. What is it called? Wait, no, I can go here and look. Spacer. It is called, oh, just size. It's just called size. That's not the right one. Let's set the size, then add it as a child. And then get children. No, this needs to be on completed. Get children. Get all children. Reverse. Huh. I guess I can get a 4. No, that wouldn't work. How do I get the last item? Oh, last index. For each loop. Reverse for each loop. Equal. So if these are equal, I want to delete the item. Destroy. Okay, remove from parent is. So let's not do this just to double check to see if the spacers are being added. Yep, there are definitely spacers there. Almost closed the engine, don't want that. So now if I do that, it should delete the last one and also center it. No, that deleted all of them. Hmm. Okay, I guess I could do it the long way. Just a for each with a break. Get that. Then it will remove from parent and then immediately cancel itself. So now that should remove the last spacer. It did, but it didn't center it. Why is it not centered? That's not what I meant to do. What if I remove the child instead? That's still not. Is it just off-centered? No, that's as centered as you can get it. So that means there is an extra spacer being put in. Hmm. If I just remove this index. And nope. Well, I guess what I could do is print string length. So I expected this to be 5. If it's 6, it's wrong. 6. So there is an extra spacer. Oh, I remove item. That's probably what I need. Let's do a for each with break. Remove this if come on, there we go. If this and that are equal. Remove and then cancel the loop. No, that did not work. Hmm. Well, if it's a copy, that doesn't help. Okay, well, I'm actually just going to add a comment here. Remove last index, last spacer. And I'm actually going to end this one here. I'll be back on tomorrow. But yep, that's the end for this stream. I'll see you all yeah, tomorrow. Until then, I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.